So good यार, अबे प्रतिभा good.
Teacher already start. చూస్తే ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్తేనే
अविनाश कहाँ करके ఒక్కొక్కరు ఇది 2 సార్లు లెక్క పెట్టారు అరే అమ్మ అరే గుడ్ 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 ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ హ్యాంగింగ్ అచ్చా రైట్ సో గుడ్ పేరు కూడా మా అరే ఇట్ వాస్ ఫైన్ नंबर 0 हाय अबे एक साइड बदल गया रे कल्याण का वसूल कल्याण लाइव
I don't know ఎంతమంది చూస్తున్నారు వాణి and everybody I don't know many few names but I was there from LKG to 12th class in KVFC and though few were joining us
ఫోటో క్లిక్ అయిపోయిందా
అయిపోతే పెట్టుకోవడం అంతేనా but thank you so much limitation ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వారికి ఫస్ట్ హాయ్ Okay, thank you so much for arranging all these things. It's a lot of excitement, the Bachpan group and all those things.
Hey, wait. Time ఉంది అన్ని ఇప్పుడే కాదు. Just wait.
Mic to organizer.
కూర్చో. టీచర్ చెప్తానే కదా. లేట్ కమర్స్ కి रिकॉर्डिंग आपको चश्मा लगाओ यार మధ్యలో పోస్ట్ పెట్టినప్పుడే తీసేయాలి.
Thank you for coming. So as usual, everyone is sitting the same as we sat in the school only, like boys this side and the girls this side. Hence we thought of a small idea. We will distribute one small papers. Depending upon your number, each will be following a group. So Saujanya will be distributing the numbers, and I request you to take each one. Guys, everyone please stand up once. Please. अरे थोड़ा एक मिनट के लिए उठना है. Please stand up नहीं कहीं फॉर्म तुम प्रोफेशनल ले वाले हो.
आशा. Hi.
हेलो
Who's that?
इतना जोर से
कौन कोई ग्रुप से अभी कोई बोलने वाला नहीं है, वो कौन है?
We missed the moment.
क्या है?
ये नंबर नहीं आएगा इनसे अभी
2, 1 किस किस को आया लेफ्ट साइड में आ जाएगा. 1, 2, 3 and 4.
3 इतना
3.
అదే నేను అందుకని నాకు డౌట్ వచ్చి అన్నీ వచ్చింది.
3 ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
4 4 4
Guys, now settle down, please. According to your numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
2 2.
बस चाल गया पवन कलाउद्दीन युवराज
ఆత్మీయనగర్లో ఉండేవారు కదా మేము అక్కడ లాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి మేము అక్కడ స్టూడియో
फोर का 3, 4. अरे the intention was to divide it यार. The intention was to divide it तो मिल गया. फिर शांता ठीक है बैठे और क्या? Leave 2 chairs at least. Leave 2 chairs.
नहीं आ रहे कैमरा में नहीं है कैमरा आगे करो
आगे request each and everyone to start from the group number 1 to come down and introduce yourself, like stating your name, to from which year to or which class to which class you were in the KVFC, and now what you are doing, what is your current marital status, age, whatever blah blah whatever you want to say. There are few members who are not yet married also. There are few members who are not yet married. So what is it? I leave the option to you. See, this is a debatable topic. This is a debatable topic. I don't want to debate on it. So it's, I leave it up to you. More what you want to say.
महेश बाबू रंजित
I'll start from my side.
Okay, now listen.
Was 10th class 1995. Was that I joined Chinmaya Vidyalaya for my intermediate. Then I done my management courses in finance. Now I am currently working as a banker. Happily married with one child of 2. Happily married with a kid of 2 years. Currently I am residing in Hyderabad. So thank you. Now Chetu, please. Hi.
चेतु खड़े हो जाओ खड़े हो जाओ नहीं ठीक है बैठ सकता है बैठ जा
Hi,
ठीक है बैठ जा बैठ जा बैठ जा थोड़ा बाहर तो दौड़
समाधान की जीरो
Hi Bachpan group. This is Chaitanya. So Kidu. I was Kidu. I am Kidu. I will be Kidu. Great to meet all you people. And I was only till 8th standard. 1992. I had to go to Mumbai. Continued my engineering in Mumbai. And post that I was in ONGC. Continuing in ONGC. I met some people privately, P. Kiran and some others before this, but this is very great and surprising, and can't explain meeting you all after so many years. About my status, well, Bachpan group SMS messages already known. I'm married, not happily or sadly. Just married. Small theater small kid I have. So that's it, my family status, and you all know I run. That's my passion. Thanks Bharat for organizing this.
नेक्स्ट पीवी जेब में से कुछ निकालने वाला है क्या
Hi.
ఇక్కడ
I'm Rajshekar.
రైట్ కింద
well known as PV Rajshekar. So, I was there with KVFCI from class LKG to 10th class, 1995 batch. Now currently I'm working in GE as a QA lead. I've been working for last 10 years and married. And baby girl, she's of 1 year 10 months. So
Nice, good.
The WhatsApp group and
But you made an
I will definitely make it real. Thank you so much.
ఫస్ట్ పంపించాము.
Same body language.
Hi, I'm G. Rajkumar. I've been in KV till 10 plus 2. I'm working in a healthcare company.
వాళ్ళ గ్రూప్ के लोग का माइंड ले
ఇక్కడ ప్రవీణ come to side.
मैं आपके मैडम भी आने वाली है तब ले
ఫస్ట్ అందరికి హాయ్ చెప్పు ప్రవీణ.
I'm G. Rajkumar. I've been in KV till 10 plus 2. And like I'm working in a pharmaceutical company. Like I'm happily married, but only once. Only once. Anything more? Only one kid. Like, I'm staying in ECL. Wife, daughter, 7 months old. And my parents are still in FCI.
Okay,
Yes.
good. Excellent.
पवन कल्याण
प्रतिभा आप इधर लाइन में आ जाओ, आप देखकर स्टार्ट
I am Kalyan. I was with KVFCA from LKG to almost class 12, 97 batch. I am currently working with United Health Group. Conditioner?
That's fine.
So working with United Health Group. I'm married and I have a 9-year-old. Okay? And you know it's really great to see you all of you again. And, you know your Bachpan group is very active. I agree. I am not really an active participant in that, but you guys talk. You know this is wonderful meeting you all again. Thank you.
and UK I guess. Jagan bhi hai na? My name is Mohan. A management accountant working for Credit Suisse of Swiss Bank. Confused, married for last 10 years or 7 years, I'm not sure. Because I was married twice, the same lady. I have 3 kids. One is 7 years, second is 4.5, and the third one is 2 years old. Nice to see you all. Okay, thank you. Number one. Number అందరికీ నంబర్ ఉంది. ఈ నంబర్ చూపెట్టు.
ఫస్ట్ అటెండెన్స్ అయిపో నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ అటెండెన్స్
టెన్త్ క్లాస్ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఏందో గుర్తు చేసి రాయాలి.
Okay, there's a ladies.
I was in KV from 2nd to 10th, 95 batch.
Yeah.
Okay.
సెక్షన్ బి
Section B, yeah, right. First, I'd like to thank Bharat, Soumya, Saujanya, and whoever initiated this. I'm a self-employed person. In 2002, we started our industry, so successfully running it. Sri Asha Forging Private Limited. Forging. F-O-R-G-I-N-G. Forging.
Okay.
I am Pratibha, boxing Pratibha.
Super.
Yeah, I'm married. I stay in Hyderabad. I have my own software small company, which is called Widen for Services Private Limited. It's into retailing, like online bus ticketing, retailing and wholesale.
వాట్ ఇస్ ద వెబ్సైట్
Slimtrip.com and go.in.
మాందర్ ఫ్రీయా
Start booking.
సమ్మర్
Yeah, I have only one husband. I'm married for only 2 months. I'm married. It's been only 2 years.
Is
I don't
someone
have any
interested?
kids, no responsibilities. So I'm free.
Free
Yeah,
bird.
responsibility hai.
Yeah, as you know, Sam Samarpana Rao Manne. Okay. I was a
ఇంకా చాలా పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి.
okay, Samu Bali, and what are the Balis? Okay, 95 is my 10th, and this is what
was in the batch. And I am into HR, working with Softsoul India as in recruitment department. That's it. I don't have anything to introduce or give more elaborating about myself.
Marital status.
Marital status. The most happiest moment happened in the year of 2014 of mine. Anta mari. Yeah. All right. Thanks, man. Let's enjoy the group and chill out. Okay?
Good.
Good evening, everybody. As you all know, my name is Kiran Kumar, and my friends call me as SK. I am happy, very happy to see you all. Presently, I am working as a PA, personal secretary to the HR of the department, head of department, in Nizam's Institute of Sciences, Medical Sciences. I am already married. Hi, everybody. My name is my distinct. Hi, everybody. My name is G. Kumar.
Okay.
I have studied up to 10th class. I have married. I have 2 children. Now I am working as a service engineer in Chicago Pneumatics. I am now happy. Good. Any doubts? Okay, then bye.
Shake up.
Hello.
This is Imtiaz, and I've been in FCI from KG till class 12. After that, I did my graduation and post-graduation in marketing, and I'm settled in Dubai now, alhamdulillah. And what else? Married. I'm married with 2 kids. One is 3.5, other one is just 9 months. Once again, and thanks to all the organizers, and especially Bharat and Soumya.
अभी से दे रहा है वोट ऑफ थैंक्स तो लास्ट में
and also each and everyone, I thank everyone, and I encourage the spirit that all came together. And
दुबई में कितने कुएं हैं अभी दुबई में कितने कुएं हैं
बस एक खरीदना बाकी है. Okay, thank you.
थैंक यू
అసలు గోల్ పెట్టాల్సిందే గోల్ పెట్టి గోల్ జంపుటి
Santosh Ratan Kumar. I am a graduate from, studied in KB, LKG to 10th. Section B, yeah. And we missed a lot of our friends also. Last by Jaswant and some other.
Yeah, Jaswant is there inside.
He's not there.
Jaswant is there.
Okay, after I completed my 10th, I had done intermediate in the state intermediate in state government office. So then after I went to REC Kashmir, Actually, I am a high jumper in KV.
ఫుట్బాల్
Okay.
ఫుట్బాల్ వస్తుంటే అంతా జరిగిపోతాం
Yeah, actually, football also very good player also. Even Ritesh also, he has to. We are very close to giving passes.
Good, thank you.
Hello.
And next, unfortunately I discontinued my engineering college, and then I have done this degree, distance education degree. Then currently I am working in Amilpet, Amedix, medical transcription, and I married in 2010. I have 2 boy kids. Thank you for the Ranjit and Bharat and Saujanya, Soumya for arranging this get together party. I'm very happy to meet all of them. Hi, Pradeep.
Guys, I request you to hold your mic closer to you.
Hi everybody.
Hi.
This is Vamshi, Evamshi, because there are 3 Vamshis in our group. And one other one is S Vamshi. So I was with KVFCI for to 10th class, then I went to senior school for my intermediate. I did my BTech, and presently I am working with Infosys as a senior consultant. I am married and have a 3 years kid. Presently he is going to junior KG. Okay, that's it. That's it for myself.
Hi all, I am Saujanya. I was in KV until +2. After that I did my engineering and I have been into IT from past 12 years. I'm into IBM. I'm married and I have 2 daughters, 7 years and 3 years old. I still feel this is as a dream, but then I know I have pinched myself and I came to know this is life. So I feel that we should have, this should happen more and more.
Pinch again?
No. I'll pinch you.
So like that looks more
If it hurts you, probably then I will,
I never got dreams. No.
No, I still feel, I just remember the faces when we were.
Hard enough for you to shout and then
She realized that it is true, it's really happy.
He'll also get dreams. Pinch him.
Nice, happy to see you, and I wish we should celebrate like this more and more. Thank you.
And here comes our famous critic.
KV critic.
Mute in WhatsApp.
Facebook करना.
Active करना. Facebook करना.
Okay, I am P. Kiran, and I was there till 12th class, and till 10th I was there in the C section.
In science, which section?
I was in MPC.
Which section?
MPC. Okay, so thank you, Soumya, for actually initiating this. So igniting that whatever you can all of us, and so in fact I was one of the first one to move out of FCI in 2001 when the factory was closed. So we came to Hyderabad. So my parents are with me. Then I got married last year, no kids as of now, and I'm working with Unilever. Unilever, you might be knowing, no? Lux, Brew and all. So earlier it was HUL, so now it is called Unilever. So as of now, I'm settled in Hyderabad. Thank you.
मैं अंग्रेजी की वाट नहीं लगाना चाहता, तो हिंदी में बोलूँगा.
अरे बढ़िया.
This is for some people who do not know me. Myself Mohan, and और पढ़ाई की बात आई तो देखो, एक बार भर्ती हुआ तो खत्म होने तक छोड़ने का नाम नहीं लिया मैंने. I'm not sure if you guys could hear me. Vani, Sudhir, Sri Lakshmi, Jaggu, hi everyone.
अगर काश तुम लोग भी होते तो ये हंसी मजाक जो है शायद दुगना होता था. These guys are not there, na? So, first of all, जिसका भी हाथ है ये सब ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, बिग नमस्ते टू देम होल हार्टेडली, क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ करने के लिए टाइम फैक्टर का बहुत जरूरी होता है. मैं तो घर में पड़ा हुआ था, मुझे मेरा क्या है, मैं तो खाना पीना कर रहा था, अपना नौकरी कर रहा था, लेकिन ये सब इंतजाम करने के लिए बहुत टाइम निकालना पड़ता है. 4 लोगों का राय लेना पड़ता है, 4 लोगों का एडवाइस लेना पड़ता है, 4 लोगों को समझाना पड़ता है, 4 जगह घूमना पड़ता है, सभी को कंफर्टेबल देखना पड़ता है, टाइमिंग देखना पड़ता है. सो whoever is behind this organizing this one, hats off to you guys. जब अंदर आ गया था, एक दोस्त से जब गले मिल रहा था, मानो या ना मानो, इट वाज सो रिलैक्सिंग. 20 साल गुजर गया फाइनली कि हमको मिलने के लिए 20 साल लगा. मैंने चाहता कि और एक 20 साल लगे हमको और एक बार मिलने का. So, मेरा यही ख्वाहिश है कि हम लोग ये हर एक साल सेलिब्रेट करें. जितना लोगों को गैदर कर सकते हैं उतना अच्छा होगा. और specifically all the guys, thanks a lot for coming and making this event very successful. Specifically जो भी आउटस्टेशन है, रितेश भाई, सोम्या और अविनाश जो भी है बाहर से आए हैं, thanks a lot for all those guys. क्योंकि हम तो लोकल वाले तो आज नहीं तो कल मिलते रहते हैं, और तुम लोग आए तो भाई लोग मानो या ना मानो 4 चांद लग गए. If you look back, you know, जो मज़ेदार चीज़ जो लगती है या जो सही अच्छा चीज़ जो लगती है, जो हम बात कर पाएँ, जो बात कर सकेंगे, वो है हमारा स्कूल लाइफ. जब भी हम लोग दोस्तों से मिलते रहते हैं, मैंने कभी ये नहीं पूछा भाई तुम कैसे हो, बीवी कैसी है, माँ बाप कैसे हैं. हम तो यही बातें करते रहते हैं कि मुरली ने ऐसा किया, पीके ने ऐसा किया, अवड़ी ने ऐसे किया. तो कभी परिवार के बारे में कभी बात नहीं होती है, लाइफ के बारे में कभी बात नहीं होती है, करियर के बारे में कभी बात नहीं होती है, लेकिन स्कूल लाइफ के बारे में तो दैट्स फिक्स्ड थिंग दैट वी यूजुअली ऑलवेज डिस्कस. सो मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग मिलते रहे, बी कनेक्टेड, और जितना लोगों को गैदर कर सकते हैं उतना अच्छा होगा. हमारा एक चेन था, बस इतना था कि बस यहाँ वहाँ टूटा हुआ था. जैसे मेरे से कोई और जुड़ गया, जैसे दीक्षा से युवराज को पकड़ा गया, इसी तरह हमारा बस टूटा हुआ एक चेन था जो एक ग्रुप ने बचपन में हम सबको जोड़ दिया है. That's really nice. As Saujanya said, you know, कि this looks like a dream come true. That's very true actually, Saujanya. हमेशा लगता था कि कभी ना कभी अपने दोस्तों से मिले, कभी ना कभी थोड़ा वक्त गुजारे, to relive those wonderful moments which we have left behind in school. मुझे कभी लगा नहीं था कि इसके हम सबको मिलने के लिए 20 साल लगेगा, but that happened. I would say कि लाइफ के लिए this is something really very important. So guys, सब दोस्तों के लिए मेरा एक ही मैसेज है, जहाँ भी हो, जैसे भी हो, खुश रहो, खाओ पियो, ऐश करो, किसको पता कल हो ना हो. Love you all guys.
देखो जूरी अवार्ड मिला, गुंडल पिंडస్తున్నావు बोल के कमेंट आया, नॉट लिविंग माइक बोल के कोई बोला, लॉन्गेस्ट स्पीच अवार्ड दिया.
Hi, this is Murali Krishna.
So people are commenting.
I have a lot to speak, but what I hear from Mohan, I don't think I have to repeat it all again. So I'll talk about myself first. I have been. అవునా అన్ని చెప్పేసాడు మిగతా ఎవరికి వదలలేదాడు. So first thing before I actually talk, this is one platform where whatever you talk or whatever you spell out, probably there is nothing harm in talking and nothing losing of. So this is that kind of group. Probably I have not come across such group in last 15 years of my career. Okay, not even in my college and school life, I never had been into those debates and all. Very rarely. एक time पे ये Kalyan and all we used to offline debate but not in public. So coming back, I have worked in. Sorry. So I was in KV from first to fifth class in Ramagundam, and then I moved to KV Talcher by virtue of my father's transfer there, and then I came back in 11th. So 10th I completed there, and then I came back. And I was always into B section, so I was looking out of those photographs. Where is a B section photo, and I can see myself. I could not see it in the last 15 days or 1 month from all the Bachpan group. Finally today, or yesterday I think, D Ravi. Hey D Ravi, thanks a lot, man. I saw myself in that photograph. I said, okay, I am there in the school, man. Finally, one photograph, yeah. So, thank you. All those people who are not available here, but I know we are all connected now. Thanks, everybody. Talking about my personal life, yeah, I am married. I have 2 kids, 2 daughters. One is 5-year-old and another one is 7.5 months. And I am now based out of Bangalore. My hometown is Hyderabad. That's all. What else?
Biggest achievement చెప్పలేదు 10th లో in life's biggest
So that is a tragedy actually. It is not a achievement. Yeah, the achievement is I was the topper for social science in 10th class in CBSE.
Entire country was.
Over the country, yes, India in KVs. But the unfortunate part of it was when I came back to KV Ramagundam, then I found it difficult to get an admission into FDC. Because Sudhamani did not give me admission for 1.5 months. Me and my father, we used to go to the school, madam, please give me. He said, no, you are worth into HEG, go to HEG. Sir, please. My father said, is there no other option? Go to try in Chinmaya school. The other place where I have initially not struggled, but then I got an advice was in Krishnamani Auntie's tuition. When I went there, then Auntie said, oh, you know what? You are good in social studies. Why don't you go into HEG and try for IAS and stuff? I said, IAS? What is that about? Okay, first I'll get into MPC, do something, and then maybe IAS. I made it, but I regret that gap. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Hi, I am Vasundhara. So I was there with KDFCI from 10th class, from LKG to +2. I was an MPC student when I left. Then I did my graduation in science. Then the most exciting thing was after my graduation, I went to the same KVFCI as a computer contract teacher. I was there for 8 months, and all our teachers were there. Sudha ma'am, music teacher, and social teacher Medha Brahmpurkar. There were so many, and my juniors were actually my students. It was a lot of fun. And it was a lot of fun with the teachers. I was sitting with the teachers having lunch as my colleagues. It was a great experience. That was my first working experience. I still remember that. I was there with my dad. He was still employed there. So it was nice. And this reunion, whatever we are doing, it's really very good. So nice to see you all. I'm so happy. Glad to meet you all. I'm married with 2 kids. Now I'm in US consulate. Basically we are called consular investigation officers. So we are fraud fighters basically in the consulate. So it's all fun. So have fun. We'll all meet together again. Thank you so much.
I'm Soumya Krishnamachari, and I was there until 11th standard in KVFCI. Guys, this is I'm sure all of you will agree that it's a very overwhelming experience for all of us. I think all of us go through so many, we live in different places, we go through so many things in life, but what is most special to our heart and close to our heart is our bachpan. As these guys rightly pointed out, that's only because nobody is judging us. Maybe the teachers are judging us, we are in the competition mode, parents are getting stressed, who will get how much marks. But between us, I think nobody is judging each other. We all were like ourselves. Nobody is judging us. These things don't even happen at your workplace and stuff. So talking about my workplace, I did my MCA, and then I was working for Tata Consultancy for 7 years. And Sudhir pointed out that, and now I'm back to my passion, which is music. I run a music school in Dubai, and I'm also looking into my own personal singing and looking for opportunities to sing. Sudhir had once said that I have a hidden agenda, getting back in touch with all of you, and I'm getting, the reason purely being that, when I decided to get back into singing, I was reminded of all the encouragement that I got during my school days, and it got me into the memories of my school days, and that's purely the reason why I got back in touch with all of you. And it's absolutely overwhelming, the last 1 month of WhatsApp and stuff. So all I have to say is चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम. Okay, it's not literal. बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम. Okay.
Hello, my name is Avinash. I've been in KVFCA for about from LKG to 12. So I think it's nice to see all the familiar faces. If it's not like in the hotel, I think I can totally imagine myself playing in the ground with you all. I'm working in a small IT company in Bangalore for about 10 years in the same company. Married. I have 2 daughters. One is 4 years, another is 5 months. I think whoever is, I think it's really surreal experience to see you all together. I think one of the very noted memories that I have, it's sports related. I think the 96 Kho Kho batch. I think this is I want to share it with you all because I do that all the time in the office also. So this is where I'm really familiar with. So in 95, in the finals we lost really bad, I think, and we back. I think we were in 10th, and me, Ajay, Francis, Ranjit, they're all like we came back really hurt ourselves, tried to see what we can do and all that. We really practiced and collaborated all the logic, whatever we have, whatever we can do in the classroom, we played, and we really did that in 96. It's very silly, but it really means a lot to me. And thank you all for saying.
I am Isaiah. I have a very unique name. Bhattacharya teacher used to call me sometimes Ishu, sometimes Isha. Being an English teacher, she could not pronounce my name. So I was into KVFCA right from my childhood until 12th standard. But actually we have a house there, so I quite often visit my place. I quite often visit FCI, and I was so excited after you people all gathered in WhatsApp, because I have never seen the event like this, because nowadays people forget the people we meet just after 1 year or 2 years, but after a quite long time we have met under one roof, so it's very exciting. And I actually am residing in Hyderabad, and I'm into accounting. I'm an accounts manager, and I got married and I have a kid who is 5 years old. And I thank each and everyone who came here and made this event a success.
Watching us in UK or US. Okay, my name is B. Pawan Kumar. Hi Jagan. Hi Alludu. I joined in KVFC in 1988, in 4th class, and then studied up to 10th, 1995. Thereupon I studied my intermediate in Vijayawada and did my BTech in Varangal. I am married to Vasavi in 2007. I have 2 beautiful daughters. I am working now. I have roamed a lot around in India and also out of India. Now I am working for past 4 years very close to Ramagundam in Devapur, Orient Cement. It's nice to see everybody here. Thanks to all who are behind this organization. I mean, this one. Thank you.
Hi all, Vamshi. D Vamshi. Angrez. Gori. नहीं मालूम ना? Hi guys. हाँ name guys. Okay. Guys, really happy. Super. Summer no आग रनिंग बढ़ते. So till 10th in FCI. After that, inter in Ongole, बहुत घूमा उधर इधर. Then Nagpur engineering. Then I'm back to Hyderabad. I'm working with HDFC currently. In between, I had a business, livestock business. वो चल रहा है अभी. I've given it for lease. That's it. So अभी coming to बचपन. आज क्या क्या होने वाला पता नहीं. But बहुत कुछ होने वाला है. Guys who's watching out there, समर्पण का तो लगने वाला. Tips वस्तुने इनका. Anyways, guys, great get together.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ritesh. I was there till 1993, till class 8 rather. I left after the half-yearly exams of class 8. In fact, to be precise, it was 27th January 1993. I remember it because 26 जनवरी का वो जो परेड होता था ना, तो झंडा वंडा लेकर आगे हम लोग चला करते थे. तो that's how. Firstly, thank you very much for all these. You know, that's a very, it was heartbreaking experience. I must compliment firstly Soumya, who instigated us to get hold of our thoughts together, and of course Pratibha, Ranjit, Kiran, and of course Apna Bharat, who gave executive orders to all these individuals, and finally we are catching up here. Hello everyone who are watching us abroad. You all look beautiful, As regards to my personal affairs, I have taken the profession of the army. After 1993, I went to a school named Rashtriya Indian Military College. It's in Dehradun. Thereafter, in 97, I cleared NDA. 98 to 2000, I was in India. 2001, I got commissioned the day the Parliament attack took place. And very soon we were there, generally near the western borders. And since then, it's been a journey which is full of experiences, which needs good time to share with you all. I'm married. My wife's name is Sujata. She's again a great dancer and a good cook. We have been blessed with 2 kids. Siddharth, 9 years old, and Ritisha, she's just turned 4. They're all going to school now. They are right now in Arunachal Pradesh, in a remote place just short of Tawang. I'm somewhere in Uttarakhand, and I keep coming to Hyderabad almost every year now since 2010 because I'm having a flat out here. It's great bachpan, keep doing well, and as people are saying, it should be organized very often. So let's hope we all catch up together in more, different locations. Maybe Northeast next year. Do come over there. I would be there somewhere near Shillong, and I assure you, you will be treated as my guest. Colonel Saab ke guest. So thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Sayyid Salahuddin. I am in KVFCI from 5th standard to 10th. So later on moved to Hyderabad for intermediate and done the degree also. I am presently working in ICICI Bank since last 7 years. I have been married and having 2 kids, one girl child at age of 6 and boy at 5 years. Gachibowli does operations here, head office. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hi Vachpan. This is my first video. Like so many happened since my first standard. I Hoshangabad, Korba, Vizag, Ramagundam, Trivandrum, then Chennai, Avdi. But this is my first one. Just because of the job, I could not attend any of them. Now since I'm retired, so I could attend this reunion. Ramagundam, you say this 2 years were actually the nightmare for me. The Ramagundam actually was the toughest years of my life. And actually, I don't know how many of you remember. In 9th, I flunked in maths. I had to give re-exam. And that was actually the turning point of my life, where I decided what to do and what not to do, and where should I go. So, my career was totally a different way, like you guys have done your engineering, maths and science and a lot of stuff in a straight line, but I have done my started my career with Microsoft as a supply chain manager for Asia Pacific region. Then I was in telecom. And then I did my fashion designing. I did my MBA from Symbiosis, Pune, and I worked with Pantaloons. I worked with all the retail companies, the major retail companies. My last assignment was Videocon Group as a zonal head for South India. And since 4 months I am doing my own business. I have opened my academy of robotics, so I teach students to make robots and design robots. And I'm happily married since 10 years. My wife's name is Joy, and she's working with Sony and Discovery Channel as operations head for South India. Thank you. I'm very happy to have you all, and we should meet again next year. I'm sure we will meet. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hi, Vishman. Hi. I'm telling hi to you all, not to those guys in the video. Yes?
Hi.
Hi. Pinky. It's been. I thought it won't happen because people are, staying at various places and everybody is very busy. And but we all together able to make it. Kudos to all. And the guys from the other side of the world, the earth, they are also the igniting the fire, in us daily, regarding the Bachpan meet and all this. Thanks to you all. And I was in FCA and am in FCA still. My parents stay there. I keep visiting there. And now FCA, another happy news is that it's getting renovated. It's going to start. Hopefully once it is started, the roads and all that within the FCA is done, then I think we all can go again. The next meet we should plan there. And they're the real memories, I think. That would be fantastic. And after my 12th standard, I was in HEG in 12th.
Actually, my father wanted me to be in the MPC, and I had a big fight with my dad, saying that I'm not going to do any maths or science and all that. Then somehow I could able to convince my dad, and I did HEG. And then after that HEG, when I completed my 12th standard, now there was a big fight between my dad and me again. Again, he said, "Now you tell me what you want to do." Everybody is writing MSET, they are going to engineering, medicine, and all that thing, blah blah blah. Then I said, after 12th, even I was in very big pressure, saying that what is this now, what I have to do. But luckily, I could able to find a course. I mean, it's a very unique to most of you also. And then I did my post graduation. Though I got seat in my PG also, I got good rank in MBA for ISET and MCA, and then Hyderabad Central University. And then still I was very focused that no, I'll do this course, and I did in PG. That's very unique. It's in social work, Bachelor of Social Work and Master of Social Work. And after that I started working. Luckily I was very afraid when I was doing that course, or will be any jobs and all that. But I got very good job. Now I'm currently working for Share India. We are supported by US government, and every day, every hour when we work, we think about, are we able to save any life? I'm basically into public health programs, so that's how we think and work. And I'm enjoying my work now. And my father, whenever he meets anyone, his old friends, he very proudly says, "See, my son, he did it. Though it was not in my interest, but he did it according to interest." I was very focused in what I have to do, and I made my dad happy. That's the thing. And I keep on traveling across the country. Northeast, I keep coming to Northeast. Next time when I come to Northeast, I will meet you Ritesh there. Yeah. Last time I was in Bombay. I thought of meeting. No issues. I will come as a government.
No requirement. Just come to Guwahati. You will be picked up.
Just SMS. Sure. I think this month I will be in Pune, Mobile. I will meet you there. And I am married in 2006. I have 2 kids. The elder one is Renault, and the younger one is Shelina Manna. She is just 7 months old now. The funny thing, it's coincident I would say. It's my marriage is in a love marriage, and after my marriage I went to Mobin's house, okay, along with my wife. The coincidence is that Mobin's in-law, she said, "Ye sala Ramakunam bola ye aisi karte ladki patate." And I was surprised. No, I mean my wife, Mobin's mother-in-law, Mobin's wife, they went to other bedroom, and I was with this guy in another bedroom. And then when we all met for dinner in the hall, she was saying, "Kya Mobin, kya hua kya? Mujhe pata hai." Then I asked my wife, "What happened?" She is laughing. And then I came to know that Mobin's mother-in-law also, they are from Nellore, and my wife, my in-laws are also from Nellore. So that's how she started saying that Sala Ramagunnu. And thanks all. Thanks for coming to all of you and those who are watching.
Hi Vaspanti and hi Vasu.
Hello.
Mike. I'm Pravina. I came to FCI in, I don't remember the year. I came in 4th class. I studied till 12th class. I have taken commerce. Thereafter, I have done my degree in BCom computers. I was still in touch with Vani, Pratibha, Mandy. We were together in the same college, and thereafter I have completed my MCA from Kakri University campus. And after that, I have been with TCS from past 9 years as a software engineer, and I am married with 1 kid. He is 3 years old, and I am settled in Hyderabad. I have my own flat. That's it.
Once more. Okay. Bharat.
What next? Now let's have some fun round. So as divided by the groups, now we'll play I think you all know the game Ramshalats. So I request you to the 3 and 4 divided to be equally as per your cards. Guys, 3 and 4. I repeat, 3 and 4.
4 is here.
हाँ, मतलब एक चेप छोड़ दो यार 20 मिनट.
अच्छा गैप कर लो ना.
We will play Damsharats. Normal rules you all know as generally it is played. We are divided into 4 groups. So we will call one person from each group. So they will enact, and the other 3 groups they have to identify. So other 3 groups, and who identifies first will get the marks. Right? We have 2 rounds. One is Hindi, Bollywood, and another round is Tollywood. Telugu, because we have 2.
Nalli is coming.
We have finished our introduction, so please complete yours.
Late comer and first.
Will come and enact, and other groups will identify. So no, we have decided that group 1 person will come and the other people, remaining people will identify, and other people can distract them, right? So anyone from group 1, she'll be helping me. She'll be helping me. You have 6 members. Chaitanya, why don't you come? Then come.
Relevant to that particular movie or whatever, right? We should not split the alphabet.
Exactly.
The spirit of this game will lost. So, right? Yeah, right. No, it's not for guidelines.
The other groups, you can divert him.
Basic guidelines. This is Hindi and this is Telugu. This is fine.
First round is Hindi.
This is Hindi and it's okay. Hindi. Okay.
No confusions. First round is Hindi.
Okay.
Bollywood. This is Bollywood round.
Lungi dance. Lungi. That's right. Chennai Express.
Great. No hints.
ये simple है, every लिखा तो है. Hey, group 2. So you should not.
Kiran should not help them.
Group 2. He will tell option.
No.
Devendra in class.
Telugu Hindi. Yeah, this is Bollywood.
Guys on the live stream can also help. WhatsApp.
Oh shit, ये भी live है.
काट देंगे. Maybe. अरे बुड्ढा. बुड्ढा. गाड़ी वाला. बुड्ढा.
बच्ची.
The other groups misguide him, Raya.
बुड्ढा. बच्चा ने बुड्ढा.
बच्चा बड़ा हो गया.
Sorry, this round valid for only 2 minutes.
बड़ा हो के नीचे बैठा. बड़ा हो के भाग गया.
रतन के ऐसा जंप करा. बच्चा बड़ा हो गया.
भाग गया.
ऐसे ऊपर.
Last minute. Yeah, that's fine.
क्या बोलना चाह रहा है यार?
No, you cannot say anything.
अच्छा ऐसा किया.
अच्छा ऐसे.
45 seconds.
बच्चे को नहीं मालूम क्या है वो.
बच्चा खड़ा हो गया अभी हंस रहा है
यार कैसा
बच्चे को कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो गया
बच्चा हाथ
तोड़ते जाओ
बड़ा हो गया
घोड़ा दोन गेंडो
You can give the hero's name.
अरे
बात नहीं कर तू बात नहीं कर
अभिषेक बच्चन अभिषेक बच्चन अमिताभ बच्चन
Last 10 seconds.
अमिताभ बच्चन
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, done. The movie name is Pa.
It's a tough word, yeah. I can understand. It's a pa.
All are on the same level. Wow. Easy for you. No, no splitting of words. I have told in the initial.
हम दो हमारे दो
यहाँ दोनों मिलके आए यहाँ पे दोनों मिलके नहीं आने वाले भूल जाओ सोचो
Guys, give her some space.
सब थाली मारो
वॉच
2 बज गए 3
बैंगल
वॉच करो
बैंगल 2 बैंगल्स अभी
मोहन मुरली के बाल छोटे
कपड़ा
कुर्ता
Last minute.
आज का दिन
सॉन्ग है
सौम्या
अरे वो क्या गाना गाएगा
Trying hard.
आज इतने खुश हैं हम हाँ बोलो मुंह खोल के गा दो
नहीं
नहीं बाल वाला बजरंगी
हाय
अच्छा बाहुबली
बाहुबली
30 seconds.
साहुबली
नहीं एक को आधा
डोंट स्प्लिट
एक को आधा करो नहीं होगा
है ना
ब्लू आज ब्लू है पानी
15 seconds. She has given enough clue.
पानी पानी
Okay.
10 seconds.
First.
Done. It's done. Hyderabad Blues.
2 मिनट में
వంశీ మనం తెలుగు అవును తను వస్తాను అంటే నెక్స్ట్ తెలుగులో వచ్చేలేదు
अबे क्या हो रहा
మంచి నేను మొత్తం చెప్పేస్తావా
कुर्ता नहीं पैजामा
Guys, please guide him.
आ गया नहीं रुको मैं
रविलो और गाड़ी प्ले
Where is your team?
इधर ही है ओके ఏమైంది హిందీ తెలుగు అదే
Hindi only.
ఓకే వన్ వర్డ్ హీరో దేవదాస్ డ్రైవర్ ఉన్నాడు
Excellent.
बाजीगर
हार के जीतने वाले
Group 3. Avinash, Murli, Mohan. No lip movement. It will be आगे पीछे क्या है? आगे पीछे क्या है? Correct. Great job. Good job. बजरंगी भाईजान.
देखो भाई देखो लीक हो गया भाई लीक हो गया
नहीं हो नहीं सकता नो Vamshi team లో only 3 members are there. Samarpan, can you join the team? We will exchange now. Good. Yeah.
Samar Simhareddy. Balakೃಷ್ಣ. NTR. Hindi hero. अरे समझ पीछे तू
Enacting person should all be at the front.
What? Amitabh Bachchan, okay. पिडली सी बात है या पिडली सी बात है What? Okay, Shamita ba.
Good job. Hindi movie only.
It is easy, Asha. Yeah.
Cheating by. Cheating ఏంటి చెప్పు. చెప్పినా ఇవే కదా చెప్పేది నేను వాళ్ళ కాదు కదా.
టెలిపతి
ఏం కాదు కూర్చోనే అభి क्या है रे तू क्या बात कर रहा है क्या बात कर रहा है बाहुबली अरे
సమర్పణ అక్కడే ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ పేరు కాబట్టి
దృశ్యం
గట్టిగా చెప్పలేదు otherwise discarded. No lip sync. Okay, fine. First mistake in
आउट डाल दिया लटका दिया
last minute.
नहीं
నా పేరేంటి
seconds.
తర్వాత ఒకటి
Try. Seconds. అవును పుష్కరాలే.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది Only one quarter. Saujanya ఎక్కడ చేస్తుంది? Okay, time up. కాదు.
5 seconds.
కాదు.
4
అయిపోయింది.
3 2 1 పండగ చేసుకో.
సింపుల్ కదా? చేసుకుందాం.
Only 2 minutes.
మీతో మాట్లాడా
నువ్వేంటి తెలుగు
హీరో హీరో
లాస్ట్ మినిట్ గుడ్ జాబ్ గుడ్ ట్రై గ్రూప్ 2
నాకు తెలియదు నేను చెప్పపో టైం అవుతుంది ఏం కాదు పోయి నాతో కాదు హాయ్ ఏ నాతో
100 seconds.
హాయ్ నువ్వు కాదు
ఐ లవ్ యు చేసేస్తా రతన్
Great try. Not asking you to dance.
అది రాగంతా పాడుకుంటూ కూర్చుంటారు.
They will join you.
You start. गाया तो सही।
नहीं आप गाए तो सबको हिम्मत आए। फुल सॉन्ग।
वापस जाना है गाना गाओ।
Song फिर afterwards we will join.
नहीं, give me some time. I'm not prepared anything.
पहले
बैकग्राउंड गाइस।
चला जा।
अरे नहीं यार। चलो कमान
होश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए, बस नगमे तेरे प्यार के गाते ही जाए। है काश के हम होश में अब आने ना पाए, खिलती महकती ये जुल्फों की शाम, हंसते खनकते ये होठों के जाम। खिलती महकती ये जुल्फों की शाम, हंसते खनकते ये होठों के जाम। सारा जहां भूल जाए, बस नगमे तेरे प्यार के गाते ही जाए। Thank you.
Still, you were right.
जल्दी डोंट फोर्स यार थोड़ा सा हिम्मत चाहिए।
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए, प्यार बरसाए, हमको तरसाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए, नीले नीले अंबर पे चांद जब आए, प्यार मन पाए हमको तरसाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए, नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए। ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत जब चूमते हैं अंबर को, प्यासा प्यासा अंबर जब चूमता है सागर को, प्यार में को ना 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 ना, दिल मेरा ललचाए कोई तो आ जाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए। थैंक यू।
उसको पकड़ा दे अब तो इंट्रोडक्शन रितेश याद रख के कैमरा में भी देखना है, ऑन कर रहा हूँ।
लाइक चैटिंग कर कर के आ रही हूँ।
Hello to the camera, to those or to us?
I'm Diksha, now Mrs. Diksha Ashok Singh, and I'm blessed with a very wonderful daughter.
Mic is not on.
Is it?
यूएस वालों को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा।
Not on. नहीं दे दिया हो अब तक सबको। Hello, Diksha, Mrs. Diksha Ashok Singh, and I'm now full-time stay-at-home mom, enjoying leisure time. That's all.
I guess I am stopping her because you remember Sudhir was coming up with one story about the flower boy and all, right? With the rose. That is not me. Okay. As per the flower boy, like he was requesting us that he was really आपके लिए 20 साल से 20 फ्लावर्स कलेक्ट करके आपके लिए अभी तो ताजा है। तो गाना बनता है यार, बनता है। सुनील गाना दीक्षा।
मुश्किल है खोया मेरा दिल है, कोई उसे ढूंढ के लाए ना, जाके कहा मैं रपट लिखाऊं कोई बतलाए ना, मैं रोऊं या हंसूं करूं मैं क्या करूं, मैं रोऊं या हंसूं करूं मैं क्या करूं, दीवानगी की हद से आगे वो गुजरा जाए, आंखों में उसका चेहरा कोई दिखलाए। थैंक यू।
See, basically I am very poor at ये और वो दोनों की वजह से, and Sunil, great spirit. Bear with me for the next half minute. The good thing about this is that this was a song I used to propose for my wife. At that time we were friends, and she paired my this voice and still gave me a chance to be her life partner.
Your neighbor?
Song is no. It was I sang it in college only for her. That's okay. That's
Next
Ritesh inspired me to sing this song once again.
Okay.
The song is
पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यार ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, हर शाम आँखों पर तेरा चल लहराए, हर रात यादों की बारात ले आए। मैं सांस लेता हूँ तेरी खुशबू आती है, एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है। मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। कल तुझको देखा था मैंने अपने आंगन में, जैसे कह रही थी तुम मुझे बांध बंधन में। ये कैसा रिश्ता है, ये कैसे सपने हैं, बेगाने होकर भी क्यों लगते अपने हैं। मैं सोच में रहता हूँ, डर डर के कहता हूँ, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। तुम सोचोगी क्यों इतना मैं तुमसे प्यार करूं, समझोगे दीवाना मैं भी इकरार करूं। दीवानों की ये बातें दीवाने जानते हैं, जलने में क्या मजा है परवाने जानते हैं। तुम यूं ही जलाते रहना आकर ख्वाबों में, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो। थैंक्स फॉर प्लेइंग।
तो समझावा के न तेरे बिना लगता जे, तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार मेरा। तू दिल तो यूं जान मेरी, जान मेरी, जान मेरी। तेरे दिल दा चुन लिया ने मेरे दिल दिया रहा, तू जो मेरे नाल तुरे था तुर पे मेरी आसा। जीना मेरा है उन्हें तेरा, तू की मैं करा तू कर एतबार मेरा। मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल तो यूं जान मेरी, जान मेरी, जान मेरी।
तुम्हारा क्या काम है मेरे लाने में, तुम्हारा क्या काम है। जिसकी बीबी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है, जिसकी बीबी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है। बिस्तर पे लेटा दो गद्दे का क्या काम है, बिस्तर पे लेटा दो गद्दे का क्या काम है। जिसकी बीबी लंबी 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 लंबी, जिसकी बीबी लंबी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है। खोटे से लगा लो सीढ़ी का क्या काम है। जिसकी बीबी नाटी 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 नाटी, जिसकी बीबी नाटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है। गोद में बिठा लो बच्चे का क्या काम है, गोद में बिठा लो बच्चे का क्या काम है। याद नहीं आ रहा नेक्स्ट।
में अनजाने मिलते हैं, अनजानी राहों में मिलकर खो
అవి guys,
I still remember Sudarshan sir. I still remember Sudarshan sir.
I still remember Sudarshan sir. You know, whoever makes the noise used to turn like this. Hey Vani, hey Sri Lakshmi, I know. I still remember he used to always tell only these two girls.
And one famous dialogue, Ranjit. I have two eyes at the back as well.
He used to tell that I have two eyes at the back as well. And guys, you all have a surprise for you all. We could able to get around 56 or 57 photographs, 55 or 56 photographs, and we did a collage, and we got them laminated. It's a return gift for all. And if someone's photo is not figuring that out, just forgive us. Okay. And don't say that ये मेरा photo अच्छा नहीं है, ये अच्छा है. Okay. This is the latest photo. This is all being shared by you all. And from Facebook we took, from WhatsApp we took, and
Very nice, yeah. Good. Very nice.
to the guys there online.
మీరు చెప్పండి
Guys, please be on your seats.
Almost
అరే ఏం సరి పెడుతుందిరా?
మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ మీద పెట్టుకొని ఎందుకు చెప్పు
జూమ్ జూమ్ చేయాలి పేరు
Thank you, thank you. Thanks, man. This one seals the bond, guys. अरे जुम्मा कहाँ है यार? नहीं आया
Guys, everyone got it? Guys, everyone got it? Guys, everyone got it?
Wait, everyone has got it? Is asking.
Guys, everyone got it?
Got it, ना?
అక్కడ हरीफ अंदर हो गया सब हो गया जगनगढ़
Guys, I request each one of you come down and sign over on the poster, on the banner. We are.
Hard copy, soft copy.
Samad.
ఇంతమంది నీస్ మీద ఉంటే ఎవరు ఇంతమంది
स्माइल बोल यार चीज से चीज
अरे इन फोन बेटर नायना
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండండి రా భయ్
से चीज
वन टू थ्री स्माइल
स्माइल स्माइल
अरे तो हल्ला करो भाई क्या सिंसियर
लोगों को सभी को हॉर्न लगा
भैया जी स्माइल
बड़ा सुंदर रहा
अरे आउरा
ये लोग పెడుతున్నారు
ఏ రీల్ ఉంది కదా దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్
టీవీలో గ్రౌండ్ లో తీసుకుంటుంటే
అరే రారా రేయ్ अरे ऐसे 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 కొంచెం
నేనా
అందరూ ఓకే 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 సమాన్ పడుకో
అరే పడుకో
కూర్చో నువ్వు పడుకో
అరే వాడు వాడు చూస్తాడురా
అరే నేను మంచిగా అల్లుడు లేకుండా మళ్ళీ రారా
భరత్ రారా
అరే వస్తారా ఒక్క సెకండ్
భయ్యా నువ్వు సెల్ఫీ తీసుకో ఆగరా ముందు మన ఫోటో రావాలి అరే తీరా నువ్వు
తీసుకునే ఉండరా నువ్వు
అందరు తీస్తారు బాగా.
అరే ఆగురా ఫోన్ పెట్టి ఫోన్ పెట్టేయమనరా
चलो 1 2 3 स्माइल गाइस सीरियस
चीज
मोबाइल पिक से बाहर
ఏమైనా ఇంకా
మోడలింగ్ సెషన్ అయితే
अरे भाई शफल అయిదాం
అరే నువ్వు రెడీ అనాలే
అరే రెడీ
అరే
1 2 3 అనాలా
మీరందరూ కూర్చుంటారా
రెడీ
99 98
యా
సూపర్
చలో ఇంకా చాలా
యాంగిల్ తీస్తున్నా ఆగు
పర్ఫెక్ట్
నా తీస్తారా ఇట్లా
థాంక్యూ
సూపర్ సూపర్ సూపర్
థాంక్యూ ఆల్
చూసి చెప్పాలి చెప్పాలి లేట్ వచ్చావు
లేట్ గా
అదే గొప్ప లేట్ వచ్చావు
సైన్స్
रिकॉर्ड वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे
Hey, Nico, अभी आ रहा हूँ। अरे आ
Yeah.
మహేష్ బాబు సైన్
సైన్ కదా
భయ్యా
శ్రీమంతుడి స్పాన్సర్
శ్రీమంతుడి స్పాన్సర్ రెయిన్బో మా బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ మహేష్ బాబు
ఎప్పుడు రిలీజ్
వాణి
డి రవి
డి రవి
రాసుకుందాం అమ్మాయిలదే
మరి అబ్బాయిలు ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి ఇందులో
ఆమె రాసిన
రవి
అంటే అక్కడ
దీప్తి రా దీప్తి
రాయాలంటే రాయొచ్చు అబ్బాయి పేర్లు కూడా
దీప్తి
మిస్టర్
बज्जी बज्जी
ये प्रवीणा को भी लिखना है कुछ वो भी लिखेगी प्रवीणा को लिखना है
हाँ सुमना जी सुमना
रंजीत
इंको सुजाता रा सुजाता
अरे ना फोन
फोन ले रा साई
फोन ले रा వంశీ
अम्मा प्रतिभा सुजाता सुजाता मंडल 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 हाँ फर्स्ट ये पेज है इम्पोर्टेंट रजिस्टर स्पॉन्सर हाँ इन्वाल्व करेक्ट ఎవడు ఇదిగోరా దద్దు దద్దు
జూమ్ జూమ్ పెద్దగా రాసిన జూమ్ ఏం రాయాలి మళ్ళీ రాయాలా
ఒకటి సార్ రాస్తా
ఇది
పెన్లో ఇంకేముంది చెప్పరా
బిగ్ హస్బెండ్ బిగ్ హగ్గ
ఓడియా
అది కూడా రాయాలా ఒక్క నిమిషం
ఏం కావాలా నీకు బిగ్ హగ్ కావాలా ఎలా ఉన్నా
అరే నేను రాయిస్తాను చూస్తుండు
గుడ్ గుడ్ ఆగరా కాల్ చేస్తాను ఆగరా
నా పేరు
उर्दू है क्या वो ఆ పేపర్ గా ఇంకా ఇంటర్ అనుకుంటారు.
వదలరా బాబు.
కింద బ్రాకెట్ లో రాస్తారు.
नीचे लिखो सब लोग ऊपर ही చెప్పండి ఫిట్నెస్ లెవెల్ కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది.
Guys, one, last one. Guys.
मेरे लिए ऊपर नीचे भी देख, नीचे पूरा खाली है. मैं नीचे नहीं कर मुंबई ठीक है जल्दी मुंबई सेकंड था मेरे पास नहीं बोला था बॉम्बे चलते ఏది इवन मेरे बच्चों के एडमिशन के लिए मैं ये पैकेज ओके थोड़ा
चलो come on. KVF से है guy. Soumya.
On phone. Wait.
अरे प्रतिभा बाजी यार.
Come. Please.
Sponsor करे.
Come.
यार फोटो ले लो फिर चांस नहीं मिलता अभी बोलो लास्ट टाइम.
1 2 3 चल cheese.
यार रुक ना.
कैसा लग रहा है?
चलो चलो. गाड़ी गाड़ी. हाय गाइस. देखो देखो आप पीछे पहुंच जाओ प्लीज.
ओके गर्ल्स रेडी है.
इधर मेरे कैमरा में प्लीज प्लीज.
सबके कैमरा में.
मेरे कैमरा में मेरे कैमरा में
ఇక్కడ ఇద్దరు కొంచెము
इधर हम लोग
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Hey, Bharat, navvu.
అయ్యో
నవ్వకపోతే కొడతాడు ఇప్పుడు ప్రతిభ.
ఓకే
ఏదో తీశారు.
అరే ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడ పెడతారో అందరూ అది కూడా చెప్పండి. రేపు తెలుస్తాయి ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉంటాయి.
భరత్ 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 तेरा फोन से फोटो लेना.
अरे रील है.
रील आई.
चलो भाई लेट्स हैव डिनर लास्ट
अरे ఉంది కదా చిన్న
guys thank you for joining online. Hope you like the streaming. Should like to put a word in everyone. Yes, hold on. अंदर
Hey Sudhir, Ravi, others. Great function. It's a great function. Thanks here for being a part of this live show. We'll miss you. Next time, please be here. All the best. Cheers.
Last
रात्रि నాకు యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్సాప్ లో
very happy to come here. Not good, that's not good. इसलिए मैं बनाती नहीं हूँ. Whoever has it now, they will just make. Super मजे आ रहे.
तू ले ली देख ली ओके ओके
You are describing each and every one. Why is the Ghana not well?